Are you done, Juliana? Juliana, you done? Go ahead, drink your water, and then I'm gonna go wash you.
Give me Mickey. You know you forgot ice cream. I did. No, and then you didn't got your shadow ice cream. You forgot. So for my dad, for you guys, ice cream. Hello. It's only for you. Do show your dog. Only for buy.
Are you selling ice cream? How much? $2?
Yeah.
$2?
No. $2.
Are you selling ice cream to your sister? Huh? For $2?
No, dear Daddy, not doing to me. I will.
Come on, Ate JB. Hurry up. Ate JB. Finish your food. One more bite, please. Mia, don't make a mess anymore, please. Put everything back. Come on, you guys are about to go. Come on. Don't give mom. Oh, you gonna wear your glasses? Okay, good. Put it on. That's a beautiful purse. Are you gonna wear that? Are you gonna use that? Come on, Ate JB, are you done? Okay, go to the bathroom now. Come on, I will wash you. Oh, you're a crawling ate, huh? Hi, hey, Juliana, I keep asking you to put on your shoes now. Come on. Oh, careful. Hi, shark. Hi, whale. Whale pala, hindi pala shark. Juliana, put your shoes on now. Bakit ba umiyak? Bakit? Bakit ba? Aray ko. Aba, ikala ko. Who are you? Okay. I thought you're Mia. Ang lagkit ng milk bag. Ang lagkit. Go to the whale, oh. Go climb on the whale. Yeah.
Hey, no, I can put the front down. I turn.
Oh, good job, Juliana.
I turn. Yeah?
Okay, hurry up, get ready. Auntie Melmel's gonna be here in a minute.
My turn, please. My baby.
Oh, there she is. Come on. Okay.